Today I'm showing you green screen basics using the free app VScope Live. This app will let you take ordinary pictures from your phone and transform yourself to anywhere you can imagine. You don't need anything fancy for your green screen, just an old green plastic party tablecloth or an old sheet, or really anything solid green will work. Take your picture in front of the screen, then go to the internet and save an image of a place you'd like to be or somewhere that you would like to go, and then add them into the VScope app. When you go to export your image, you're going to get a message saying there will be a watermark unless you purchase your image. I just screenshot the final shot and cropped out the timeline. This would not work with videos, but this will still give you a chance to learn the basics of green screens. The following video shows you step by step how you can do this.
In this tutorial, I want to give you a quick introduction on how to use the VScope timeline. To create a new project, we just go ahead and click on the Create New Project button over here. And then we have in our timeline, as you can see, we have our video tracks over here. We have our undo and redo arrows over here. And over here on this left side, we have the plus button. And this allows us to add a track to a particular video. What we do is first, let's go ahead and select a video that we want to add, and we'll pick one of these with the green screen already added to it. Now the green screen here has been detected and removed by VScope Live. So now what we can do is we can add a background, and from here we'll just select this Hollywood sign background and press the OK button. And now it's added. And now as you can see, it doesn't quite match up with the background. There's some black over here. So to resize the background, all we have to do is press the Hollywood sign track and then reposition the background where we want it, and then just pinch zoom it out to make it the right size. As you can see, there's another problem. We can see some black bars at the top of this video. So we could get rid of those. First thing we need to do is select the video clip. We'll select this button called the crop button. Now this crop button allows us to remove the black bars we want to get rid of, and then drag down here to take out the area that we don't want, and we go ahead and press the button now, and as you can see, all the black bars have been removed. And now we can reposition it and make it smaller or larger without any problems of the black bars creeping into the frame. Now as you can see, the Hollywood sign isn't quite the right size. So what we need to do is select the clip. So let's drag right on the edge of this clip, right here on the edge, and now the clip is filling the whole area. But as you can see, this green screen clip right here takes up too much of the timeline. So what we want to do is we want to make the timeline smaller. So all we got to do is just pinch zoom the timeline to reduce the size. We just keep pinch zooming until we can see the entire clip that we want. As you can see, the green screen now is all the way inside the timeline just by pinch zooming. Now we can go find an area that we want to save. So let's pick up this area right here, and we want to trim this clip. So first thing we do is we select the clip, and then we press the scissors button to actually trim it. The part that we don't want is already selected, so we can just push this trash can button to delete it. And let's say if we made a mistake, we can also undo it, or we can redo it. So we'll take this part right here, and we'll trim it out about right here. So we select the clip again, and then we press the scissors. This time we'll take the tail end of the clip and select it and hit the delete button. Reposition the Hollywood sign so that it matches up to where we want it. And now we have our new video clip. So that's pretty good, but what if we wanted to add another layer? So all we would have to do is just pick up our clip over here, and we can add a layer just by moving this clip, picking it up, and then moving it. Now let's move this clip down. We'll pick it up and drag it all the way down. And now we have a free layer right up here at the very top. So what we're going to do is press our plus button again, and then we can add a new video that we want to use. We're going to use this rain foreground. As you can see, now we have to see that it's raining in our image, and so we can play it back and we can see that it's raining. When we want to do an export, all we got to do is click on the share button over here, and the clip will start exporting, and once it's finished, it's going to allow us to preview. So now we can see that it is actually raining. And that's a quick tutorial on how you use the timeline in VScope Live.